Hi, today we're going to do session number 10. Today I want to teach you that readers take their interpretations around theme through a process of drafting and revision. So those words might sound familiar to you because we've used them in writing, right? Drafting and revision. Ow, sorry. and um, so here's a little chart that someone else made, but I really liked it because it came up with this acronym here, DARE. So it says DARE to revise. So revising is one of those really hard parts of writing, right? So the D stands for delete, so deleting or taking away any unnecessary information. The A stands for adding, so you can add more important details and transitional words. Are rearrange, so moving stuff around if you need to. Sticking to the topic, that's important, right? So that kind of goes along with deleting. If things aren't needed, you can take them out. And E, exchange words for clearer and stronger ones. Okay, so some things to think about today as we do our work. So today we're going to continue our work on theme, and we're going to use this revision process. Okay, so now that we only have a couple chapters left, we're going to look at our themes that we've been using this week and revise them. So again, here's this revising chart. And then here's this other chart with some sentence starters. So it says, I'm changing my mind, or I'm starting to think, I'm realizing that. So if that's true, then can we try that idea on for a bit? Could it be that? So here are just some things that I want you to be thinking about, okay, when you're thinking about your theme. So remember the work that we've done so far. We started on Tuesday, I think it was, with coming up with our two themes. Then we narrowed it down to one and we added on to it. And today we're going to take that one again and we're going to add on more to it, or we're going to get rid of it and we're going to start with a new one if you want, or you can pick that other one from your original two. You can choose that other one and go with that one. So you have some decisions to make with what you're going to do. So it says for today, look back to your themes from session 7. It says Tuesday's work. Let's revise one of those themes by adding on to your evidence. You can copy and paste it here in the box and add on to it with more evidence from later chapters in the story. Or if you think the theme is not a theme anymore, you can fix it. Use the chart and the sentence starters to help you with your thinking. Okay, so what I want you to do now that we're almost done with this story is I want you to get a good grasp on one of the themes. So you know most of the story now. So I want you to pick one and stick with it. So choose from one of those two or pick a new one completely. And then I want you to get as much evidence as you can in this box. So you're going to choose your theme here. Okay. And then you're going to have your evidence here. Okay. So your theme is one word. So if it's courage, you're going to write courage. And then down here, you're going to list as many possible examples as you can from evidence from the text that support that theme. So as many things that happen in the story as you can think of that have to do with courage, if that was yours. Okay. So you're going to try to list like 7 or 8 now. Okay. Because this is the third time that we've worked with this. Okay. So again, you can either get rid of stuff that doesn't fit, you can add to it, you can rearrange stuff, or you can just get rid of it completely, pick a new one if you don't think that your theme was strong enough. So maybe you found that by the time we got here, that you're like, it's not really a good one, but this one is a really good one, and you'd rather build upon that one. So your choice. Decide what you want to do. So list what your theme is, and then all the evidence that goes along with it here. Okay. So that's your work for today. And here's your stopping point, and that is the work for the week. So when you're done with all of that, make sure that you go through, you check all your work, you check it for spelling, punctuation, grammar, all that stuff, and then you can submit it once it's done. Alrighty, have a good weekend. and I will talk to you later. Let us know if you have any questions on anything. Have a good day.